Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the cabin air filter on a 2015 Honda Fit. The cabin air filter is probably the most neglected maintenance item, and it's handy because it keeps dust and pollen out of the passenger compartment. And you'll find the cabin air filter on the passenger side of the dashboard, right here behind the glove compartment. First thing you want to do is clean out all the trash from the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment, and with hands on both sides, push inward on each side and then pull down. And then pull outward from the hinge on the bottom. Like that. As you can see, the hinge just consists of a C-shaped hinge. Just a matter of pulling out on that. For replacement filter, I have a Beck Arnley, stock number 042-2228. And other manufacturers will have different stock numbers. Also notice on these filters, they're unidirectional, which means the airflow has to go one way. So make sure you put it in the same way in which you find the original. The air filter housing cover will have two tabs on the side. Push in on each tab and then pull out. And the cover is marked for which way is up. It only goes on one way. That exposes the filter. Pull the filter out. Whoa, look at all the junk in there. Oh, before I go any further, the airflow, notice the arrow is pointed down. So on the replacement filter, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down on the new filter. Just look how dirty that was. I recommend that you take a cloth and wipe out the inside of the air filter housing before you install the new filter. Make sure you have an exact fit with your replacement filter. Measure the dimensions. And this one does match. Okay, let's install a new filter. I got my arrow down, which is the direction of the airflow. Put it back in the housing. Put the cover back on with the arrow pointed up. Up is up. Let's put the glove box back in. Line up the hinges over here and over here. Squeeze on the sides, push it back in. Don't forget that bottom hinge in. There we go. Bottom hinge is in, squeeze the sides. Make sure it opens and closes properly and that the fall is arrested by the mechanism. And you're done. Thanks for watching.